Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by verifying core prerequisites so the sync can happen immediately. Make sure both devices run the latest releases and use the same Apple ID. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone. Next, go to Settings General Date and Time on the iPhone and enable Set Automatically so the phone controls time zone and NTP sync. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and check My Watch for connection status and battery. You're ready for the next actions. Once you've confirmed connectivity, force a fresh sync by toggling airplane mode on both devices for a few seconds, then turning it off. This forces Bluetooth and Wi-Fi renegotiation. If that doesn't resolve differences, restart the Apple Watch by holding the side button until the power menu appears. Make sure to restart the iPhone as well. If time remains incorrect, unpair from the Watch app. It creates a backup, then repair the watch. Repairing typically resolves lingering time or profile mismatches. Finalizing, after repair or restart, open the Watch app and go to clock to confirm the watch face isn't intentionally set ahead. Set +0 minutes if needed. Make sure both devices are signed into the same Apple ID and that no app is overriding time zone. If the watch still shows incorrect time, reset iPhone network settings to clear stale network caches. And if necessary, perform a full unpair and repair. That backup restore often fixes persistent sync failures. One tip: unpairing creates an automatic backup, so you won't lose settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.